Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by preparing the phone and PC. Make sure the Pixel is charged above 50% and developer options with USB debugging is on. Plug the device to your computer with a reliable USB-C cable, then confirm a DB is installed. Once done, run a DB devices to verify the phone appears. Authorize the PC on the phone if prompted. You want a clean, trusted connection before moving into bootloader commands so the device responds reliably. With the phone connected and authorized, reboot the device into the bootloader using a DB reboot bootloader. Once in fastboot mode, run fastboot getvar all to print all device variables. If available, fastboot getvar Cpid returns the Cpid directly. Read the output carefully. Look for a line labeled Cpid or a similar identifier. Make sure to capture the exact string by copying it into a note on your PC. This prevents transcription errors when you later reference it. After you record the Cpid, exit fastboot with fastboot reboot so the phone boots normally. If the Cpid did not appear, update your Android platform tools and retry the getvar commands since older tools sometimes omit fields. Make sure the bootloader actually entered fastboot. You should see the fastboot screen. If the PC doesn't recognize the phone, reinstall drivers and revoke USB debugging authorizations on the phone, then reconnect and reauthorize. This typically resolves recognition issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.